रॉबर्ट वाड्रा से ईडी आज एक बार फिर से पूछताछ करेगी। आपको बता दें कि वाड्रा से ईडी ने कल भी करीब 6 घंटों तक पूछताछ की थी।
I see that because my voice is becoming louder and people would like to see me in politics. And if I even think of being in politics, I think this is the way they try and show me in a bad light. But believe you me, when I go to the ED and when I go to anything, I go through all this, this makes me stronger. This makes me feel that I need to work much more with on the ground. And yes, definitely, nobody can stop me from doing that, no matter how much of pressure or anything they try and put. This is not going to deter me from the works and the efforts that I'm making for the people.
But also, as you mentioned that act politics, that as you have been saying that, and do you think so? If you have been in a active politics, not an activist, as you said, if you have been in an active politics, you could have what better?
Definitely, the people of the country are looking at me being in politics. I've been working all around, and since 1999, I've been campaigning and working for the people. But I want to be there to make a change. I want to make the change that is really required. It's not because, I think this is the alternative. It is a thing, if I was to be in politics, I want to make a change. And yes, there will be a time, definitely I will be in politics, but at this point of time, I know that truth will prevail. And most importantly, if you look at this particular summon and ECIR, I have got a clean chit from the Haryana government, that it was the BJP government, that all